Hey gang, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to do a review on. What is it? It's an awesome pickleball set. 2 paddles in here, 4 balls, 1 carrying case. You are good to go to play a full game of pickleball. One of the hottest games trending right now in the country. Pickleball is a 2 pickleball. Like I said, there's 2 paddles in here and 4 balls. Lightweight, non-slip grip. You saw. I'm going to take it out in a second. I'm going to show you that. Fantastic. It's made out of polypropylene honeycomb, which is a very lightweight core. So it gives you great bounce, great control, and also nice and lightweight so you don't get that fatigue on the arm. That's really important. Come portable bag. Got a great price right now, so definitely take a look at it. Durable fiberglass. So let's take a look how it comes. So it comes like you see here. Let's unzip the bag here. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. So here are the 4 balls. You got the 2 yellow balls, and we have 2 orange balls. That's in the package. Pull this out. The 2 pickleballs. There's a little bit about the items in here. Each pickleball paddle is wrapped nicely, as you can see here. And here is the bag. Here's the bag, like I said, zipper bag, carrying the shoulder, which is nice. I like that. Also, here's a pouch here that puts some extra bags in. That's why you have a pouch, or maybe your cell phone, or whatever you want to put in here. So here is the actual pad, the pickleball paddles themselves. Let's put them to the side. Let's take a look at one of these. You can just see how they look. They're all decorated really nicely. It's got this little pickleball on one side. The other side is plain, and you just take off the plastic here. This is for the handle. This is just for shipping, so when they ship it to you, it's all in great condition. Again, it's got a great bounce where you can just, really good. We're going to take this on the court in a minute, so stay tuned, but I think it really feels good in the hand. It's not heavy at all. It's got this nice white border all around it to protect the actual paddle. So when you're swinging it, you get that nice, and it's got very little resistance because it's nice and light. So definitely a high quality. And you can tell too by the hits. Yeah, it really sounds good. Let's take it out to the court real quick. We'll take a look at it. For all skill levels, for professional to amateur. Definitely the high quality pickleball paddles are a way to go. Exceptional durability. Definitely for indoor, outdoor, any which way you want to play pickleball. Definitely you need basically 2 paddles and a bunch of balls, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. All right, let's go to the court and see how it works. Okay guys, we're at the court here. We're just practicing back and forth. We're at that pickleball court here, and you can just see how well this is performing. It comes with 4 balls, like I said. Definitely go ahead and recommend this. There'll be a QR code on the top of the right-hand side. I think it's an excellent quality pickleball set for all day fun. Nice and lightweight, high quality, and response time is excellent. Great racket control. Just absolutely love it. So definitely go ahead. I think it's going to be really good. I do get a small commission, like I said. It does help support my channel. I do appreciate that, and cost you nothing. Hope you enjoyed the review. Make it a great day, and I love this set. Keep playing.